guys, Enda here from TrendSpotter, up $1,965 on 3 trades in Roku. Let's dive right in. So, did something a bit unusual today, and it cost me. I paid dearly for it. I got into Roku 9:31 bright and early. Okay. I got in the right direction. I just stopped out because I lost faith in it. So I called out the entry for this at like the close there. I said if it breaks through the close like yesterday when it shorted through the close, I said it's going to be big, right? So 11:57.56, and then I kind of looked away. I was looking at beyond. I was kind of setting up a little bit because it was 9:31 and it shot up past it, and so I got in at 18:07. So there we go, long, and I got stopped out there. Like, it was a real amateur move. 55 cents it cost me. I got stopped out, and then it went up. In the end, it went up $2. So in the back of my mind, that wasn't a real trade for me. It was a dumb move, but it happened, and I lost. So that was a nice $800 win, or loss, $825. But I caught it coming back down. Okay, so 9:42, I got in at 118.57. Which was down low here, 57 there. And so basically I got in here and I got 86 cents on it. So I got stopped out down in here. 86 cents, and I took it all off. And the reason I took it all off, now there's the move, right? The whole move was a $3.50 move, right? The reason I took it all off was because I was kind of rattled. I've been sick the last few days. I have a sty in my eye. I was wearing a cotton wool patch on my eye today, so I was doing this with one eye. I wasn't feeling confident. The first move was a loss, so that kind of it was weighing on my mind. I said, oh, okay, I'm going to take it all off and make some money on it. So I made $12.90 on it. I was happy with that. So I was plus on the day, 465, and I was thinking of calling it quits. So in here there was a move. We were looking at it here, and I said I'm not going to take it because the previous close was there and the VWAP was there, and I'm like, I'm not going to take it. I don't like it. Then I think a buy signal appeared back here maybe, and then it appeared in here, and it went up, and it made a beautiful move and an easy move too, right? So that was a $2.69 move. Okay, so all you needed was your dollar on that. So the indicator caught it anyways, but I wasn't feeling great. And I kind of said to myself, I don't want to give back my $465. But then I was looking at Beyond, and so Beyond was doing moves. There was people in the room were taking trades on Beyond. In here short, it wasn't there. It was there or here short. Someone got $1 on that, and more. And then I saw Beyond kind of come up, and it hit. Oh, right there. That's a real coincidence. It's back to there. 136, 137. What I saw here was a high day here at 38 and a high day here, spike at 38. And I was looking for another trade, and Beyond just has the volume in it today, okay? It's not just the volume, right? The volume is similar to Roku. It's moving. Roku then I saw kind of doing this meandery, miserable move. I know some of you were in this, and it just took forever and did nothing and was bouncing off the VWAP the whole time. And I called it in Beyond. I said, look, if this breaks, this double tops here, 138, if it breaks, I'll get in. That's what came back down, and then shot up. It started coming up here. There was a buy signal in here. So our entry on this really was 137, we'll call it, instead of 136.83, 137, which was a full dollar before the high day. But I just wanted it to be clear because I know somebody got shook out in here as well for a short, and then it kind of, so it was basically going sideways for a bit. Anyways, 138, skipped through, flew through it, and I got in at 138.10 and got stopped out. I sold half. Where's 138? 138.10. I sold half up, and it was like 60 something. And I sold the rest up here at my dollar. So that was it. Now, and it was funny as well. I was explaining this in the room. So what actually happened was, so blah, 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 came up. It came to like 138.10. So after I sold half, I pressed the rest. So I closed my position at the dollar. It's the average cost plus $1. And what it did was it came to 139, and it just hit like 14 or 12 or whatever it was. Oh. Excuse me. just sneezing. 14, and then it came right back down, and it had closed the position on me at the dollar, and it came right back down to like 60, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so lucky. I can't believe, I'm kind of vindicated in that. But then it gained strength and came back up to 54, so it peaked well past my 139.10. And that was it, guys. That was a cool 1500 on that. So I just said, right, that'll do. That'll do. I'll stop now. My good eye is tired and my bad eye is stinging, and I don't want to push it anymore and give it back. And that's pretty much it, guys. Roku then, so what it did here, if you look at it continuing on, it just kind of miseried into this view app and did this consolidation thing, and now it's taken off. So we saw this one, but like up here, we didn't see it too early. But that's the reverse, you see. Once it gets its groove back, it'll start doing moves. So there's the up and there's the down. And same with Beyond there as well, actually. Look at it. Maybe we'll pull up the SPY and see if that's doing something. But that's pretty much it, guys. In the chat room as well, I think there was 1 red, 3 very green, 2 green, 1 break even, and 1 red. So pretty much every day in the chat room, almost everybody is green. And a few people are very green, but the majority of us, by and large, are well green. So the chat room's working out very well. We're calling out the entries. We take less trades because it's too much noise. Less trades, more money. That's the way I look at it. Okay, I don't want to be in the stock market too long and start handing back all my winners. I am getting a few winners these days, but I'm kind of just changing out the rules, which is dumb. Like that first trade I took today. And the short I took yesterday wasn't a proper, I shouldn't have taken it. There was no indicator on it. But other than that, guys, definitely happy to be nicely green. 1965 on the day. Back at it tomorrow morning in the chat room. There's a link in the description below if you want to join our chat room. Reach out to me in the comments if you can't find it, or I'll see you in Discord in the morning. Okay, talk to you.